everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. Very recent, guys. Started in 2018. Looks like it was finished in 2020, according to all the receipts. Body up restoration. Slick car. I bought it down in Florida. Pretty color combination. This is all brand new paint. It's Carmine red metallic. Previous owner added the Rally Sport and the Z28 trim, I guess you would say. It's not a real car, guys. This is what he built. But beautiful car, gorgeous paint on the car, all new black vinyl interior. You can see it's got the white Z28 striping across the deck lid and the hood. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with 15x8 Chevrolet Corvette rallies with the top hats. Good looking car. Brand new Rally Sport front end, and yes, it works. Looks like this guy bought this car in 2018 and then immediately pulled it apart, and 3 years later, and it looks like about $50,000. This is the car. Pretty car, runs and drives excellent, nice and tight. Again, the hideaways work. He added vintage air. It blows cold. The day I bought it was like 85 degrees down there in Florida, and it blew nice and cold. You can see it's got slick paint on it. That's just a little, well, that might be a little touch. Yep, a little touch up, a little stone peck there. I don't know the miles on it, guys, but as you can imagine, there can't be many. The car was just completed in 2020. It's got the cowl hood. Pretty color combination, guys. Good looking car. Glass fits up good. This is a pretty color, man. This car's got a great look. And like I say, outstanding running and driving car. Not super fast. It's, you know, it's cammed up and stuff, but it's got a stock 308 gear in the rear. It is a positive though. It is a limited slip in the rear. Rear spoiler. Again, he added the Rally Sport package, and he did it right. He put the reverse lights down there in the rear. From the factory, they were up here. We're gonna have to adjust this gas cap, though. It's not in the right spot where it turns. It's got one of those wire hooks to it, so it doesn't come off, or so somebody can't steal it, I guess you'd say. Again, BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the Corvette rallies. You can see that little wire in there. We got to adjust that properly. New taillight bezels. Again, your chrome and stuff is all new. Body wise, it's got new front and rear floor pans in it, new quarters. They did a good job. Car's nice and straight. Two 45/60s on the rear, so he's got some meats on the back. Dual chrome mirrors. It's got front disc brakes. It's got some pretty paint on it, guys. Cammed up 350, Edelbrock 4-barrel. You can see it's got the Edelbrock Air Gap intake, chrome air cleaner, chrome valve covers, does have a set of headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, and again, vintage air conditioning. He just added that. All the vintage manuals and everything are in the trunk for it. 350 turbohydramatic trans. I can tell you the air blows cold. Hideaways work. Oh shoot, we got dust all over. He added all the Z28 badging and Rally Sport badging. Car's got a killer look. Beautiful paint. And that stuff was all professionally done. There's receipts for everything he did to it. That's all in the trunk. That all goes with the car. New front and rear suspension, all polyurethane front and rear suspension, new stainless steel brake lines. You can see new door rubbers. He dynamated the interior. Bucket seats, console. It's kind of cool. That's a custom console lid there. So you got drink holders. New wood wheel, tacking gauges. So one thing we are going to have to check is the gauges. I don't know if they got the wrong ohm meter in it or if they're just not reading properly. We'll check it though. 38,353 on your odometer. Clock works, tack works. Again, the gauges, we'll check them. I don't know if they've got them hooked up wrong. It's got a Audiosounds radio custom sound system in it. Flowmaster dual exhaust, 10 bolt, like I said, this is some dust, guys. 308 limited slip rear end. Pretty car. Again, very nicely done. Again, there's all your receipts. I mean, there is a thick folder full of receipts on this car. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Everything opens and closes nice. And this is why I tell guys, you don't build them. This guy's probably got 70 grand now in this car, he said. Clean underneath. Like I said, they did put new floor pans in, front and rear. People don't understand sometimes the time and the money that it takes to make cars look like this. Very expensive and very time consuming. It's interesting, he's got red knobs on there. A little crack in your paint there. It's just all new seat covers, refoamed, repadded. New dash pad, padded dash, and clock works, radio works. The only thing I have to check on is the oil pressure and the temperature gauge, which, man, I thought they worked, guys. So I don't know if something's come unhooked or what's happened, but we'll check it. Dual chrome mirrors. Nice little cam to it. Car hits good. Nothing crazy. Runs on pump gas. You can hear that cam working though. Sounds good. Hood closes up nice. Fits good. That's a pretty car, man. Tack works. Again, clock works in there. Reverse lights work. Got good sound, man. Like I say, you're just gonna have to check on that. I know the fuel gauge is working, the amp meter's working, radio works, blower motor works, but we're gonna have to check those gauges because they're just not functioning properly. Wipers work, headlights work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can also keep track of us on Instagram and Facebook. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you got a notification every time we post a new video. Great way to keep up with new inventory. That's a pretty car, man. Car sits good. I love the color, man. Color's pretty. That is a good looking car. Have a great day, guys.